Off-road vehicles need protection, and we've got undercoating. We'll show you how to apply it next. Hi, welcome to Dupli-Color TV, and I'm Mark. Today we're working on a Jeep Wrangler. In this project vehicle, we're looking to get this undercarriage some protection. It's going to be off-roading, and we have some options to consider to get the job done. So Dupli-Color offers a number of opportunities here for corrosion protection under your car. Starting with our Dupli-Color Undercoating, which resists rust and is a rubberized finish. Next we have the Professional line, which offers the same rubberized finish but incorporates the sound reduction. And then we have the Dupli-Color Premium Undercoat with sound dampening. It features a high build formula with maximum corrosion resistance and a high output trigger, which gives you the easiest application under a body. This is what we're going to use in the Jeep today. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. The key to every paint project is the prep. And we're looking at some pretty nasty rust, dirt, and grime in here. So first we're going to go out with the wire brush to knock off the big stuff, and then come back with the prep spray to get off the rest of the dirt and grime, and then we're ready to paint. Let's get going. We just finished knocking off the big stuff. Now we're going to clean it up with the prep spray. This will get in the remaining dust and loose particles, give us the best surface to paint on. So we got the loose particles off the car, all the rust is clear. Now we're ready to coat it with our undercoating. I'll remind you that the prep is key. There's no point in coating loose particles, it'll just fall right off again. Notice on top of the high output trigger, there's a little tab here. You gotta pop it off before you start to paint. And then you're ready to go. When applying Dupli-Color Undercoat, always spray in a well-ventilated area. We recommend 2 to 3 coats. This stuff works, and it's much like a barrier. The more you put on, the more effective it will hold on, but it'll keep the corrosion out. All right, well, we just finished our second coat. We're gonna let it dry an hour, get these wheels back on, and get her back off the road. Okay, so we got the wheels back on, the coating's dry, and it's ready to protect this Jeep from the road for years to come. To learn more about our undercoatings or any of our other products, please visit Dupli-Color.com.